Good horse people are like good mothers. They're bipolar. That same woman who would kiss you on the forehead and send you to school with a sack lunch, if you get a call from the principal that you've been fighting, she'll grow fangs and talons before you get off of the school bus. That's because she loves you and she wants the best for you. So she's trying to show you right from wrong in this life. Well, a lot of times when horses are bucking or biting or rearing, that's not bad behavior, that's horse behavior. And it's our job as their mothers, as their papa bears, as whatever you want to call it, to show them what good behavior is and what is going to be expected of them in the future. Hey, I'm Michael Gascon, the horse guru, a fifth generation horse trainer that's been blessed and fortunate to travel around the world and work with some of the world's most problematic horses. And it's my mission to help 1 million horse owners learn how to confidently, safely, and successfully train their horses from home for free and remember how to have fun again. But why free? Because I know after the 30-day challenge, you'll have the confidence and education you need to help your horses, your future horses, even your friends' horses. If being confident and safe with your horse is what you're searching for, click the link to join the 30-day Horse Help Challenge.